Hello guys, this is your boy Manandothegoat and I'll be analyzing NZDCHF. So guys, we're looking at NZDCHF. So as you all know, I love to highlight my lowest low of the structure and my highest height of the structure, you know. So we can play with trend lines from that level. You see, we can just go down a bit. If you can check guys, price respects trend line. You know, to those who say trend line don't like the line. Because if you can check, price was failing to break this level, it failed to break this one, it failed to break, it failed to break. So I'll be just analyzing the previous just so that you can see that it does work. Even on the previous, the same thing was happening. But now we need to focus on the current market guys, which is the one which is important. If you can check guys, from here we have 1, 2, we were on the third touch, so I wasn't surprised when the market started buying from that level. Again, if you can start from the lowest low, we're having something like this, you know, okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, it's 1, 2, 3. I believe we can come back here for a double top. Do you understand guys? So now I'll analyze what we call pattern within a pattern. As you can see here, we have a structure like this and these. So when we have it like this guys, we'll have to switch the time frame, you know. So now we're gonna be heading to the 4 hour. Okay. So on the 4 hour guys, you can see, you can quite see well that okay, we still have to push. You see here guys, I believe there's going to be a rejection level. Understand? You see how it is? So always fix your trend line guys, you know, always fix your trend lines. Always fix your trend line. So now we have something like this, you know. I believe we're gonna go to the upside. You know guys, trust your analysis more than you trust anyone's analysis. So now I see it like this. So if you can check, I'll use this thing here guys. This was my what? This was my first touch. It's highlighted well there. And this is my what? This is my second touch. Highlighted well there. And now I'm on my what? I'm on my third touch. As you all know, the third touch has the highest probability guys of winning, you know. So on the third touch, most of the time you need to know what's gonna happen. And most of the time we know that okay, it's the third touch, it's about to get hot. So my prediction on this one is we might be going to that level. And remember guys, I'm still on the 4 hour. So now I'll go to the 1 hour. Okay, I'll remove this thing so it doesn't disturb me guys when I'm busy analyzing. So on the 1 hour guys, you can see for yourself that okay, there were many touches which were valid touches. You see from this touch here to all the touches, and as we go down you can see guys that okay, the price has been respecting well. You see around that level guys, I'm anticipating a rejection, you know. So as I said, as time goes, you just have to adjust your trend lines, because if you draw your trend lines from the bigger scale, you can't get them all good on the lower scale. You see how I have it now guys. So my take profit target number 1, I believe it's going to be this one. As you can even see guys, we're having a formation of like a W here. I can draw that W using trend lines. Okay, if you can check, here is it. This is the W that I'm talking about guys. Okay, again, and then you can go up and then you can come down. So now I have a confirmation of a what? Of a W. And the W simply means a what? Simply means a double top, a double bottom. Do you understand? If it was an M pattern means it's a double top. Understand? So we're on the double bottom. And it looks nice guys, you know, it looks nice. Guys, one thing that you need to do in analyzing, you need to like go back to the previous prices and see how was price reacting in a certain level. We can zoom in here guys, you know, we can zoom in. I'm not scared about this move, you know, as I know that in Falcon, when we have the third touch, you have to have an intersection. And as you can see, there was an intersection in this level, you see. So when we have it in that level, in that level here. I believe that, okay, when we go up, we're gonna be going up to this level, guys. This is the first target that we're gonna be having. You know, this is the first target that we're gonna be having. So you can just take it from there and like push it till this level. Push it till that level. That's going to be your take profit number 1. And guys, as I check the time frame, I'm still on the 1 hour. Last time frame I'll go to is the M15. Okay, I'll just remove this thing because I wanna work on the M15. If you can check again, guys, on the M15, you can see that, okay, clearly it's making sense. Because even on the M15, guys, we have we have another double bottom, you know, so we have double bottoms and a lot of patterns, you know, so there's no confirmation that can beat these. Once you see those things, guys, you can't unsee them, you know, even if you want, but then you'll never unsee them. So here we can see that price is rejecting heavily. So that's our target on the M15, you know. So we're going to have different target, guys. We're gonna have a target on the M15, we're gonna have a target on the 1 hour, you know, but then at the end of the day, target is target, you know, guys. You need to always set the tight stop loss. So I'll go back to 60 minutes, guys, just to check, you know. You see, even on the 60 minutes, that's fine. You understand, guys? So this we can call it the what? We can call it the goal setup. So guys, this is Manandothegoat, and I'm with Chris Hendricks. Shout out, guys, you done it this one.